Hello, my little superstars. Today we are going to read sentences. Are you ready? Yes. Let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. Exciting news! Visit teachingmumma.com, the fun quiz website for kids. Try free quizzes and sharpen your knowledge. Before we begin, do hit on the red subscribe button if you haven't to watch new learning videos every day. A visit to the museum. A visit to the museum. Your turn. Let's get started. I went to the museum with my friends and teacher. Again, I went to the museum with my friends and teacher. Your turn. Very good. We saw a big dinosaur skeleton inside. Again, we saw a big dinosaur skeleton inside. Your turn. Very good. Now let's have a look at the pictures. This is a picture from inside the museum. A big dinosaur skeleton. Let's move on to the next page. There were old coins, shiny swords, and pretty paintings. Again, there were old coins, shiny swords, and pretty paintings. Your turn. Very good. These things tell us stories of long ago. Again, these things tell us stories of long ago. Your turn. Very good. In the science corner, a rocket lit up when I pressed a button. Again, in the science corner, a rocket lit up when I pressed a button. Your turn. Very good. Museums are full of knowledge and fun. Again, Museums are full of knowledge and fun. Your turn. Very good. They help us learn about the past and imagine the future. Again, they help us learn about the past and imagine the future. Your turn. Very good. Are you ready to answer some questions? What is a museum? Option 1. A place to play games. Option 2. A place to see old and special things. And the right answer is option 2. A museum is a place to see old and special things. Very good. What can we learn from a museum? Option 1. About history and animals. Option 2. About cooking food. And the right answer is option 1. About history and animals. Did you get it right? Very good. Which of these can you usually see in a museum? Option 1. Dinosaurs, paintings, coins. Option 2. Ice creams and chocolates. And the right answer is option 1. Dinosaurs, paintings, coins. I hope you got all the answers right. You did very good. Congratulations. Hey parents and kids, did you enjoy today's story and questions? You can practice even more with fun quizzes on teachingmumma.com. Visit teachingmumma.com, practice free quizzes. You can also check our levels 1 to 10 and download certificate for each level. Not only this, would you like to see how the quiz looks?
Which item can be recycled?
So you know the answer, right? Visit Teaching Mumma and attempt these quizzes. Check out our affordable subscription plans for more fun learning. See you here soon. If you have any questions, WhatsApp me on this number. You did amazing today. You read so many sentences. Do click on the subscribe button for Teaching Mumma and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for new videos every day. Are you excited to meet Teaching Mumma in the next video? I am excited too. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.